Your animals depend on you for their survival in a disaster, and preparation is key to keeping them safe. If you're an animal owner, you should keep these items in a go bag. If your pet is lost, microchipping is the best way to reunite. Please make sure to keep your information current. Train your large animals to be comfortable with trailering and small animals with crating so that we can evacuate them if needed. Identify a backup stabling or boarding location in advance.
September is National Preparedness Month. Don't wait, be ready today.